Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to configure a proxy in the Wildfire extension. This tool helps automate all your activities online, and using a proxy ensures that your actions remain anonymous and untraceable. Let's get started. First, install the Wildfire from the Chrome extension store. Once installed, click on the Wildfire icon in the top right corner of your browser and select Go to Dashboard. Navigate to the Workflow Editor section and click on Add Node. In the Type section on the left, choose Set Proxy Settings. Use the menu on the left to enter your proxy details. Select the appropriate protocol type and in the host and port fields input the IP and port of your proxy. If you are using a private proxy, enter your username and password in the fields provided. Connect this node to the Start node to ensure all future nodes route through this proxy, maintaining your anonymity throughout your tasks. That's it. The proxy setup is complete. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, proxysale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.